Game is called Revolver.
Revolver!
We're going to get all of our players up in a revolving position. How this works is we're going to see 4 separate scenes that have nothing to do with each other, okay? But I need to get different scenes for different suggestions for the scenes, all right? So for these first 2, let's get a suggestion, something you might do in a park.
Walk a dog.
Swing was the first one I heard. So swing is your suggestion. However you want to take it. Rotate right. All right, let's get a relationship between 2 people.
Safari guide and tourist.
Safari guide and tourist. Rotate right. All right, let's get an occupation.
Red Lobster.
Seahorse breeder.
Podiatrist.
Okay, calm down. I heard plumber first. So plumber is your suggestion. Rotate right. First thing that comes to your heads right now.
Red Lobster.
Red Lobster is your suggestion. So rotate right and say what your suggestion is.
Swing.
Rotate right.
Safari guide and tourist.
Rotate right.
Plumber.
Rotate right.
Red Lobster.
Red Lobster.
Rotate right. Okay, and this is the game of Revolver. Let's give a round of applause. Here we go.
Daddy, would you please push me on the swing? I really want to go really, really, really high.
Well, it's dangerous. Super dangerous.
I will hold
But
so
I
tight.
would be willing to push you maybe just a little bit back
No,
and
I'm
forth,
not-
but you gotta hold on
Okay,
really,
I'll hold, but
really
can you do
hard.
the underdog?
No, we're not going to do that underdog until we
Timmy's
get
dad does
the
the
first part.
underdog with him.
The first part started.
Okay, so
I'm very cautious. I don't want you to fall and break your arm again.
Rotate right.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Are you on the list?
I should be on the list. It's under Princess Consuelo Banana Hammock.
Princess Jockstrap, got it. This is our Jeep. Now I have to warn you, do not stick your arms, your legs, your head, nothing out of the car. You don't want to get eaten on your first day. All right, I just need you to sign this waiver. And initial. And here.
Rotate right.
I'm not seeing the source of your leak.
Excuse me?
I'm not seeing the source of your leak.
Then how did all the water get there? It just keeps coming out.
There's no hole, there's no crack.
Well, I just Googled it. And this is what it says. It says there's a leak. I can wiki how to fix it.
You know what? Do you want to see? Sure.
It says you gotta, what is this tool called? I didn't actually go to
A
plumbers.
wrench.
Okay. It says you gotta put your wrench right there. You
Rotate right.
This is our 3rd date, and so I thought I'd bring you to Red Lobster. You know, it's the top of the line. Woo! It's a restaurant everybody wants to go to. So how are you feeling about that?
I know it's kind of soon. It's only the 3rd date. But you could have asked me if I was allergic to shellfish first.
Rotate right.
Oh, I hurt my back while I was pushing you on the swing.
Oh my gosh. Can you help me home?
Well, I mean, I am 14. I suppose.
Rotate right.
Alrighty, and this is the very last page.
Rotate right.
Okay, you're right, there's a leak. Okay, Wiki How was right once.
Papa, don't preach.
Can I see that? All right, hand me my Allen wrench. Should be okay.
Allen wrench. Wait, what does that look like?
It'll say it. No. Thank you. All right. We just have to make sure we tighten this well so that more water doesn't come out.
Rotate right.
That's correct. Right at tiger please.
Your face is starting to swell up. I knew we shouldn't have come here and eaten this. Here, here's this bottle. Can you drink that? Can you breathe? Can you breathe? It looks like your neck's starting to... No. You okay? Maybe I need to call an ambulance.
Do that. We might have our first date at the hospital.
Just breathe. Breathe. Out of your... Are you okay?
Rotate right.
Grandpa, will you push me on the swing? My daddy says that you're the best at underdog.
Underdog. The last time I did underdog, it hurt my back. How about if I just hold this stick here and push you with the stick? Okay. You ready? The other way. There we go. Now go up. There we go. And back. Oh, that doesn't help me at all. And one more time. One. Up. And back. All right. What do you think?
Thanks, Grandpa.
Was that
You're
pretty
the
cool?
best.
Yeah.
Rotate right.
All right. So over there you've got grass. Over there you've got grass. There's some shrubbery over there.
I signed up for the antelope and buffalo tour.
They're wild animals. You can't predict them.
Well, can't you just let them out of their cages or something?
Lady, we don't have cages.
I paid a lot of money for this. I think I need to talk to your supervisor.
Rotate left.
All right. I think it's time for you to push me in my rocking chair. Oh.
Okay, Grandpa.
All right. Oh, yeah. That's great.
Rotate left. Rotate left.
Left. Oh. Oh my gosh, it didn't work. It didn't work. Are you okay? Can you say anything? Can you say, hold on, I'll call on the phone. Hello, yeah, 911. Yeah, we just came out of Red Lobster. Oh, you just spit. Oh, it was a little piece of crab meat.
Do you think that's why they call it Red Lobster?